Top Gear bring you the latest cars. Today we discuss about 2025 Suzuki Mehran remains one of the most recognized and widely used cars in its category, offering a practical and budget-friendly driving experience that continues to attract individuals, families and businesses alike. With a legacy that spans several decades, the Mehran has built a reputation for being a low-maintenance, fuel-efficient and reliable vehicle, making it a top choice for those looking for an economical and dependable car that is easy to handle and affordable to own. Over the years it has evolved while staying true to its core strengths of simplicity, durability and cost-effectiveness, making it one of the most preferred entry-level vehicles in many markets. The exterior design of the 2025 Suzuki Mehran retains the classic look that has become synonymous with practicality and efficiency, while the compact body structure remains unchanged. Slight enhancements have been made to improve aerodynamics and aesthetics. The front grille has been redesigned, giving the car a more refined appearance, while the headlights have been updated to provide improved illumination during nighttime driving, ensuring better visibility in challenging weather conditions. The sturdy yet lightweight body of the Mehran contributes to its fuel efficiency while maintaining the structural integrity that has made it a trusted vehicle among budget-conscious buyers. Its compact size allows for easy maneuverability, making it an ideal choice for driving in congested urban areas and navigating tight parking spaces without any hassle. Moving inside, the 2025 Mehran continues its tradition of functional simplicity while offering subtle improvements to enhance comfort and usability. The dashboard layout remains clean and straightforward, with all essential controls easily accessible, ensuring that drivers of all experience levels can operate the car without difficulty. The seats have been upgraded with improved cushioning and fabric materials, making longer drives more comfortable, while the cabin insulation has been slightly enhanced, reducing outside noise for a more pleasant driving experience. Despite being a budget-friendly vehicle, the Mehran provides all the necessary features to ensure a smooth and comfortable ride. While advanced infotainment systems are not a focus in this model, some variants now include a basic entertainment system with radio and USB connectivity, allowing passengers to enjoy music and radio broadcasts while on the go. Practical storage compartments and door pockets add to the convenience, making the interior of the Mehran efficient and user-friendly for daily commuting and longer journeys alike. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Mehran continues to be powered by its reliable 796cc 3-cylinder engine, which has been optimized for better efficiency and fuel economy, offering a balanced combination of power and practicality. The lightweight design of the car ensures that the engine delivers a smooth and responsive performance, particularly for city driving where quick acceleration and easy handling are necessary for navigating busy streets. With a manual transmission system, the Mehran provides a hands-on driving experience that is preferred by many users who appreciate the control it offers over gear shifting. Suzuki has made improvements in the engine tuning and emissions control system, allowing the Mehran to meet modern environmental standards while keeping operating costs as low as possible. Fuel efficiency remains a key strength of the Mehran, allowing owners to cover long distances with minimal fuel consumption, making it a highly economical choice for those who prioritize cost-effective mobility. One of the most significant advantages of owning the 2025 Mehran is its exceptionally low maintenance cost, which has contributed to its enduring popularity. Spare parts are widely available and affordable, ensuring that repairs and servicing remain simple and cost-effective compared to other vehicles in its class. The mechanical simplicity of the Mehran allows for easy maintenance, with many local mechanics familiar with its design and components, meaning that even minor issues can be resolved quickly and affordably without requiring expensive dealership services. The durability and ease of upkeep of the Mehran have solidified its reputation as an economical and long-lasting vehicle over the years, further increasing its appeal to buyers looking for a reliable car that will require minimal investment in terms of repairs and servicing. In addition, the resale value of the Mehran remains strong as demand continues to be high in the second-hand market, making it a smart purchase for those who may consider selling their car in the future. When it comes to safety features, the 2025 Suzuki Mehran provides basic yet functional protection designed to ensure a secure driving experience within its category. Seat belts for all passengers, improved braking performance and a reinforced frame contribute to the overall safety of the vehicle. While it does not include advanced driver assistance technologies found in higher-end models, its lightweight design and nimble handling make it easier to control on the road, reducing the risk of accidents, especially in urban driving conditions. As a budget vehicle, the Mehran focuses on providing reliable and essential safety features without unnecessary additions, keeping costs low while maintaining a reasonable level of security for the driver and passengers. The driving experience in the 2025 Suzuki Mehran is defined by its simplicity and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for new drivers as well as those who prefer a straightforward vehicle for daily commuting. With its lightweight body, responsive steering and smooth engine performance, it provides a stress-free driving experience perfect for navigating city streets and handling stop-and-go traffic. Its basic suspension system ensures a comfortable ride on urban roads, while its compact size allows for effortless maneuvering in high traffic areas. Parking is also made easier due to the Mehran's small footprint footprint, allowing drivers to fit into tight parking spots with minimal effort. Whether used as a primary vehicle for daily commutes, a secondary family car, or a business vehicle for commercial use, the Mehran continues to deliver reliable and economical transportation for a wide range of users. For individuals, families and businesses looking for an affordable, fuel-efficient and easy-to-maintain car, the 2025 Suzuki Mehran remains a top contender, offering a trusted blend of practicality, efficiency and affordability. It continues to be one of the best options for budget-conscious consumers, students, small business owners and anyone in need of a dependable daily commuter. With its subtle design improvements, practical interior enhancements and well-proven engine reliability, it reinforces its status as a beloved and reliable choice in the automotive market, proving once again why it has remained an enduring favorite among drivers who value efficiency and cost-effectiveness above all else. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel Top Gear.